Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone number you want to use is actually attached to your Apple ID on the iPhone. Open Settings, tap FaceTime, and sign in with the Apple ID if needed. Once done, check the list under You can be reached by FaceTime at, and make sure your phone number is selected. If you plan to use FaceTime on an iPad or Mac, sign into the same Apple ID there and enable FaceTime so the link number appears on those devices. Next, choose the phone number as your caller ID so outgoing FaceTime calls show it. On the iPhone, in FaceTime settings, pick the number under caller ID. Then verify each device, iPad or Mac, uses the same Apple ID and has FaceTime enabled. This ensures calls route to and from the link number. If you rely on Wi-Fi calling bridging, make sure cellular and Wi-Fi are active. If the number doesn't sync right away, sign out and back in. Finally, place a FaceTime audio or video call from the FaceTime app or the contacts card. You should appear with your phone number. If someone can't reach you, make sure FaceTime contacts show your number and that Do Not Disturb or Focus isn't blocking calls. For persistent issues, sign out of FaceTime on all devices, reboot them, then sign back in with the same Apple ID to re-establish the number link. That reset resolves most syncing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.